was too shy person to speak in English language in front of anyone. Even I was able to understand everything, but I was not able to speak in English language. Do you know, when it came to speak in English language in front of people, I was very shy. I was feeling like fearing. I was shivering. I had no that much courage. But right now, I have confidence. I am able to speak in English language even I am speaking in front of you. So, do you want to know the things that I followed and that helped me to improve my English? So, please watch this video completely, because from you are gonna know about those things that can help you to improve your English. So, without any further ado, let's get into that. So, guys, first of all, I would like to share something about my journey, my struggle when I started this journey. So, that time I had no courage, right? I had no courage to speak in English language. In my school time, I was able to understand everything, but when it came to speak in English in front of people, I was not able to. I stayed quiet even if I wanted to speak in English language, but I did not speak. What happened one day? One day I was trying to speak in English language, like so one sentence I spoke, I think, in front of my friends. So they started making fun of me, and that things really touched my heart. And first day I was trying to speak in English language that day, and only in first day people, means my friend, started making fun of me. So that things gave me only negativity, and I thought that I will not learn this language, I will not speak. No, I will not this, I will not do this, I will not speak, even I will not think about this language. Okay. So in this way my journey was going on. But what happened, one day I just went to the school, and someone was trying to explain the things that was written in English, and I had knowledge about that, right? But I was not able to explain that things from my mouth. I was not, I was able to share that things with my friends, but I was not able to speak those all things from my mouth. I wanted to explain, but I did not, right? So these things asked me that, why are you doing this? You have knowledge, you have everything, but why are you not speaking? Why are you not explaining the things that you know about that? So I asked it to myself, and I decided, I decided that no, enough is enough, it has crossed its limit. Now the point is to learn this language, to improve my English. I know if I can understand English, I cannot speak in English language. I asked myself, and then from that day I started watching videos. I started focusing on language. I started focusing on five things. Do you want to know that five things that helped me to improve my English? Earlier I was not having, but when I decided, since when I decided to improve my English, I started following five steps. I am sure that if you follow those five steps, those five steps will definitely help you to improve your English. So now let's talk about those five tips. So first of all, when I decided to learn this language, I started focusing on videos, like, right, I started watching English videos. I started watching a lot. Matlab, I used to focus on watching videos only. I used to watch no matter what I was doing that time, while doing work, while walking, while cooking, while sleeping. I mean, every time I was watching videos. And by watching videos, I was listening. I was capturing their body expression. I was watching, I was listening their words, their sound. So it helped me to improve my English, and it helped me to improve my listening skills. Right? Suppose that I was listening 20 minutes video. So in 20 minutes I had that much patience to listen that video. So it helped me to listen, how to listen any video in English. So that will help you to improve your English. If you want to improve your confidence, so definitely I will recommend you to focus on listening, right? And second thing that I did in my earlier time, that is practicing alone. Yes guys, when we start learning this language, most of us nowadays find any partner with whom we will do our speaking practice, right? With whom we could do our speaking practice, right? But no, when I started, so that time I was not searching anyone, I started practicing with myself, right? Whatever came into my mind, I started speaking those all things from myself, and that helped me to improve my English. As well as whenever I used to try to speak in English language from myself, so that time I was feeling confidence was increasing day by day. And I will suggest you to do English speaking practice alone at your home, in your room, in front of mirror. Whatever technique you want to apply, just to do that things, right? If I talk about very important things that I followed, that don't worry about making mistake. Yes guys, most of us, when we start speaking in English language, firstly we think about making mistake. So I was not worried about making mistake. I was knowing that I will make mistake, but I worry about that. I was just speaking in English language, not caring about making mistake, because it is the part of learning journey. And obviously we will make mistake, and even I was making mistake. Even right now, sometimes I make mistake. So it is the part of journey. So do not think about it. Just start speaking, right? So this was the third step that I followed, and I can say this will help you to improve your English. Because most of the time when we start speaking in English language, that time we think about a mistake, and because of that we do not improve our confidence, because these things always let our confidence go down, right? So this was third step. And if I talk about the fourth step, guys, wind is blowing so fast, so I'm scaring that my mobile should not fall down. Fourth step was thinking in English language. I was trying to think in English language, and just by doing speaking practice, I helped this technique to think in English language. Just by practicing, it happened with me, and it will also happen with you if you continue your speaking practice, right? So I will suggest you do practice every day and start making this habit to think in English. And if I talk about fourth steps that I followed for improving my confidence, for improving my English, that is finding someone to do English speaking practice. Yes guys, I was knowing everything, but I was doing practice every day. I was able to understand everything. I was able to speak in English language with myself alone. But I was thinking that if I want to know my real courage, how am I, can I talk in front of anyone or not? So for that things, I started searching any friends, colleagues with whom I could do my speaking practice. And I was doing, if I got anyone, so I started doing practicing with them. And I started doing practice with them. Things helped me to improve my confidence. Yes guys, when we speak in front of ourselves, so that time we do not worry about our confidence. Our confidence automatically go high. But when it comes to start talking in front of people, that time we we care about our confidence. We think so much about our confidence, and because of that things, our confidence go down, right? So it will help you to improve your English, that I have told you 5 steps. So first of all, watching videos, focusing on watching, focusing on listening. Second thing that I have told you, that is practicing alone, right? Practicing alone when you try to speak in front of you, so that will help you to improve your confidence. And third, I have told you that thinking in English language, right? Try to think in English language. As you keep doing practicing, you will be able to think in English language. But I have told you that no worry about making mistake. Yes guys, making mistake is the part of our journey, is the part of our life. So do not worry about that. If you want to improve, so definitely you will improve, but please do not care about your mistake. And fifth, that as I have told you, finding partner. If it is possible to find any partner, so you can definitely talk with them for knowing your confidence level. So I hope that you got something from this video. And if I can, so definitely I'm sure that you can also do it.